I've got the best aftermarket upgrade you can do your Tesla. It's easy to do, it's cheap, and check this out. It's a Frunk LED kit, and find out how you can do it after this. From where the camera is right now, you can't see this LED strip that's around this frunk, but it is really awesome. Let me tell you, it improves the usability of this space. You can actually see in here now. It's a game changer, and it's very easy installation. Anyone can do it. It's non-destructible, so you can reverse it if you don't like it, but I guarantee you, for not a lot of money, 20 minutes of your time, you can do this. So use my HANSHOW referral link to save yourself some money on anything you'd like from the HANSHOW store, but honest to goodness, go buy this. It is brilliant and really worth your time, I promise you. All right, let's get into the installation. First up, we need to remove the front liner, and to do that, use a wrench with a 10mm bit and remove these 4 bolts. Next, lift off the front vent cover and carefully pull away the emergency release panel and simply pull this cable out so that you can now remove the front liner from your car. Unscrew these 2 bolts so you can remove the HEPA filter unit. Now this is important, connect the ground first with the cable that's obviously labeled ground, then the live one to the battery terminal. The next step is to take the cable interface that now plugs into your emergency release and to re-plug in the Tesla cable that goes into the Y adapter. It will make sense when you see it. There's only one thing you can do here, and that means that the emergency release button and light will still work and function and provide light to the LED strip light. Then, starting at the front, work your way around the liner, tucking in the LED strip just under the rubber seal. So, what do you reckon? Have you done it yourself? If you have, comment below, and I'm pretty certain all the comments will be like, yes, that is absolutely so easy to do and really improves the usability of your frunk. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share it, all that sort of jazz, and otherwise I'll see you real soon. After this. All right, let's check that out. I think that's good. Come and look.